Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the muggle that juggles, Valvo, and today we're talking mathematical inequalities. Now, don't worry, all numbers are equally awesome, but it turns out some are greater than others, like how it's less impressive to juggle 2 balls than 3 balls. Let's get into it. An inequality is a mathematical statement that compares quantities using the following symbols. This means A is less than B. This means A is greater than B. And this just means A does not equal B. Note when using these symbols, the open sign of our sideways caret is towards the greater number, and the vertex side is towards the smaller number. One way to remember this is to remember that the math alligator always wants to eat the greater number, like he's never even heard of portion control.